So if you've been thinking about what's going on with the Idaho Falls housing market, stick around in this video. I'm going to do a full November market update for Bonneville County. I'm going to talk about house prices, my predictions for the future, your competition in some different price ranges, interest rates, and just some general info. So stick around, let's get into it. Okay, starting off with our chart here, we have our October numbers compared with our November numbers. So you can see right now our closings and new listings are way lower than they were last month, but our pendings are very close to the same. So that is kind of keeping our inventory pretty close to the same. But in the next slide, I'm going to check out the percentage difference between some of these numbers here. Okay, so starting off, we're looking at our total active single family listings. Right now we're at 264, which is a minus 11% change. New listings are 45% lower than they were last month, 26% lower for closings, and our pendings were 1% higher than they were in October. So looking at whether we're in a seller's market, balanced market, or a buyer's market, our inventory right now, we're at 3.1 months based on the October numbers, and we're at 2.2 months when we average over 4 months. So what we're looking at there is a seller's market still. We have to get up to 5 months of inventory to be at a balanced market, and then 7 months to be at a buyer's market. So right now we're in sort of a weird market where it acts a little bit more like a buyer's market just because the demand's been suppressed by interest rates on the selling and buy side. So we're at 3.1 months based on the single month numbers. So that is still a seller's market. Moving on to the next slide here, we're looking at our new listings average price. We're at $530,000, which is up from $444,000 last month. Our median sold price, we're right around $392,000, which is also up, and that is up from $375,000. And our average days in market are up from 43 days to 46 days. So not a huge change there, pretty similar on days on market. And this does vary quite a bit between price ranges and whether or not you price your house high or with the market value. So checking out our median sale price chart here, we're on the 12-week time scale here. So we're at 0% house price appreciation year over year. So basically flat. But if we look at this 4-week chart here, you can see a massive spike here, which is 6% year over year on house prices. So I'll go over this a little bit more on my predictions for the next couple of months. But this is definitely a significant increase in house prices over a 4-week period. So I wanted to touch on competition a little bit. So if you're looking under 300,000, there's a lot of people looking in that price range for the inventory that we have. So look for multiple offers, situations in those price ranges. Under 400,000, a little bit less so. And then when you get up over 500,000, you're really probably not going to be competing too much for houses. That price range is sitting on the market quite a bit more than any of the other price ranges. So that's something to pay attention to. And with interest rates, they have come down quite a bit over the last couple of weeks. I can't quote rates, but we are averaging right around under 7% now. So quite a big reduction. I know that's still a little high compared to what we were used to, but I mean, we were at 8% just a few weeks ago. So my future predictions for the market in the next couple of months and moving into next year, if interest rates continue to decline, we're going to see a rush back into the market from buyers and sellers since demand has been suppressed so much by interest rates. And then what that's going to do is cause house prices to go up quite a bit. I'm not really sure exactly how much, but I try to base my predictions off of other experts across the country. So this isn't just my prediction, but one thing to know is nobody really knows at the end of the day exactly what's going to happen. But keep in mind that if interest rates continue to go down, there could be quite a big rush into the market and home prices might go up. So that's something to keep in mind. Well, that finishes up this market update. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about making a move soon and you're ready to start talking about your plans, you can schedule a call with me down on my calendar. And if you're thinking about buying or selling, I have my buyers and sellers guide linked down below, as well as some others. Other than that, check out this video right here.